In this video, I'll go through how I made this DIY cat door, an insert for my sliding glass door. I wanted something sturdy and secure and made out of solid material. The ones in store were just plastic inserts that looked easily breakable, and they were expensive as well. I found making this myself cost at least half the price of the ones you could buy. I started by choosing wood that fit tightly into the tracks of my glass door. I think I used 4x2 and planed it down slightly. I then butt jointed the ends together into a rectangle shape and cut a slot in the 4x2s to fit a thick piece of perspex that I had left over from another project up the middle. I then inserted the frame into the door. After slotting it in place, I added some architrave on the end of the um, frame where the glass door was to slot into to give it a nice, tight, secure fit when no weather could pass through, and also give it some extra strength at those 2 points of contact where the glass door met the frame. And you can see here, you can still open and use the door as normal. You can see inside here, you've got just a bit of weather seal to make a nice tight fit. One last step I've got to do is to drill a hole here into this architrave at the top so that the bolt can lock the actual door. Because the door is more ajar now, I have to drill a new hole to secure it. But when I do that, it'll be as secure as the door would be if it was locked in place without a cat door there. Currently, I'm just using this little door track until I get around to doing that. For the last step, I bought a basic cat door from Bunnings, traced it onto the frame, and then rebate, cut, and chiseled out some more wood so the shape would fit in place, or the cat door would fit into the frame. Then I simply slipped it in place and screwed it together as per the instructions. An extra catch was my cat wouldn't use the heavy plastic door that came with the store-bought cat door, so I had to cut a lighter one out of some thinner perspex and create a makeshift hinge and put it in the store-bought cat door so that he would go through it. It works. It was a lot of problem solving, trial and error. I wish he would use the original door because it had a better seal to keep out the weather and dust and insects. I think eventually the plan will be to get an automatic pet door. I've seen a product called Pawpaw, which looks pretty good, and when it actually gets to market, I think that's what I'll save up for and put in there. These are just some photos from throughout Bowie Cat's life, when he was a tearaway tabby kitten, all the way to the senior cat he is now. He's 13 years old now, and he and my son have grown up together. And a lot of my DIY projects have actually come about from thinking and finding ways to modify the house to suit the cat better, but also to suit me in being able to live with the cat. For instance, letting him get outside freely on his own accord without me having to get up to open the door 100 times. And also keeping him separated from me at night so he doesn't wake me up when I'm trying to sleep. And of course, one I'll show you later, having to make something to put on the fence to stop him from jumping over it. That was another project that I had to figure out whilst keeping with him what my strata wanted. So there's my idea for a secure cat door that can fix in place with your glass sliding door. I'll have some more cat related DIY videos to upload when I get them done. There's always something to solve with a cat, Just when I think I've catified the house or cat-proofed it, he finds a new habit of destruction. I was grateful for 13 years that he never clawed the couch before, but now he's decided that that's his next hobby. So if you could, give this video a like and or subscribe if you wish to do so, and I'll see you in the next video that I get out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.